Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to contact WhatsApp support. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. Once you're inside WhatsApp, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now in order to contact WhatsApp support, first of all you need to go to the settings. Here you can see the three dots icon at the top right corner, tap on it. Now choose settings from here. Once you're in the settings, scroll down and here you can see help section, tap on it. Now again you need to tap on this help center option. Once you're in the help center page, here you can see contact us button at the bottom, tap on it. Through this page you can contact with the WhatsApp support department. At the top you can see the text field, tap on it. Over here you can ask your questions and mention your issues regarding which you want to contact the WhatsApp support department. And once you are done explaining your issues, you can tap on this next button. And at the bottom you can see send my questions to WhatsApp support. You can tap on it. Now the message is sent to WhatsApp support. They'll respond to you through this chat. So that's it. That's how you can contact WhatsApp support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.